Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to open NVIDIA control panel on your Windows computer, and if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now in the list, find NVIDIA services over here. So here you can see three NVIDIA services: NVIDIA display container ls. Make a double click on it and then set startup type as automatic. Now click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK, and then select NVIDIA frame view and then make a double click, set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK, and then again select this NVIDIA local system, make a double click, set it to automatic, apply, click on start and then you can click on OK. Now you can try to launch NVIDIA control panel and it should open successfully. So here you can see it's opening. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.